Well, hello again, all my fluid art friends. It's Doris at DF Designs. I do want to say Happy New Year's, everybody. We made it through another year, and I am so happy that my whole DFD squad, all my subscribers and my followers, have been here with me for the whole year. First, I want to show you how it's still a little wet in the middle, okay? This is a swipe I did with the Artist Haven yesterday. Let me see what kind of close-ups I can get. I don't have them with me right out here because they're being washed, but I have a Mrs. Chunky and a Mr. Chunky, which Tish over at the Artist Haven nicknamed them that. So, I am very, very pleased with this. It's almost dry. It's just a little wet down the middle. But I love these swipes. This was done with, white is the Artist Loft Flow Acrylic, mixed with Floetrol 1:1. And then all the colors are golden fluid acrylics mixed, 2 tablespoons to a half a teaspoon, or no, 2 tablespoons of Floetrol to 1 teaspoon of color. So I wanted to show you that, and I've got some paints left over, so I thought, why not try them as a Dutch pour? So I made up a little bit more white, got the white a little bit thinner, and I'm going to use the same colors that I used in that one, but I'm going to do this as a Dutch pour. This is a 14 by 14 canvas, taped off and prepped with press and seal. Sorry, words are escaping me. I haven't had enough coffee yet today, but I will get some more coffee after I do this video. Anyway, and I got my hair dryer out. Okay, this is basically just my coat of the Artist Loft mix 1:1, probably with a little bit more Floetrol. I didn't add water. I didn't want to put water in it. Okay. And now let me see how it blows around with the hair dryer. Okay, that looks pretty even. Okay, now I got the canvas covered. So I'm going to do some lines down the middle. I know they got to be a little bit bigger than I'm used to doing in resin. This is, let me show you the label because I can't pronounce what this is. It's a yellow by Golden Fluids, but it's got such a long word I got to turn it for you to see it. Benzimidazolone yellow medium. Don't ask me. Okay. And then I'm going to put some Quinacridone Magenta on there, which is a deeper magenta than the primary. I have some primary too, not mixed like this. Okay. Hope I'm not putting too much paint on there. Okay, and this is my Phthalo Green Blue shade. And I'm going to do some of this. I just wanted to try a Dutch pour the way that I see Molly and Canella do it. And last but not least, I have Phthalo Blue Green shade. Don't know how this is going to look. These are the same 4 colors that I used in that swipe I just showed you that I did last night. Okay, I do know I've got to pop my air bubbles, so let me go over this, pop any air bubbles. Don't really see any. Okay, now I'm going to put the last of this on either side to blow it over. Now I do know I gotta pop the air bubbles. Hang on one more quick second. Let me repop any air bubbles because I see a couple of cells starting, but I just want to go in there and get rid of any air bubbles I may have caused. And then I'm going to blow it out. And I'm going to do like Canella does. I'm going to start from the middle and do this way and then do this way. I'm going to do the rest of it with my mouth. I may have too much paint on there. I don't know. So those of you that are used to doing Dutch pours with paint, tell me if you think I did put too much paint on there. So let me try blowing it out with my mouth, and sorry that my head's going to be in front of it. Trying to keep my hair out of the way too. You know what? No, I can't do that. I was going to put my hair in a clip, but I'll just hold it. Okay, I don't have the lung power for that, so a straw. See, I'm not sure how I'm supposed to be blowing that, so okay. This is not really looking that much like a Dutch pour. Let me try to blow out a little bit of this to get some more white in there. Well, it looks a little bit more like a Dutch pour. So, tell me what you think down in the comments. Okay. Just trying to blow it out a little bit more to get a little bit more white right there. Yeah, I know, I probably put too much paint on there, but I am a resin artist, so I am used to putting the amount of resin on there. Just wanted to break that blue up. Wanted to break that up a little bit too. So let me try tilting just a little bit. Oh, I do have a lot of paint right there. So let me try tilting some of the paint this way. Yep, I do have a lot of paint right there. Let me clean my gloves off just a little bit to blow this out. Yep, getting spit in my straw. Okay, hopefully I get some people that are more adept at this and have done more of these to tell me down in the comments what I might have done wrong or what I might have done right. Let me bring it up for a close-up. Here is the bottom corner, bottom right, and then it comes all the way up to the top right corner, across to the upper left. I am so happy with those cells right there. I'm happy with those too, those green and yellow ones. And then I'm taking you down to the bottom left corner. This may not be a Dutch pour. This may just be a plain old hairdryer pour. So let me bring it down now for an overall view. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. Click the little bell for the notifications. Please tell me down in the comments what I could have done different, better, worse, you know. Did I mess it up? You know, tell me what I did right and wrong. Looks like I did a couple things right. I mean, I don't know. I should have not taken my gloves off because I've got to do a little bit of touch up to get some paint right here on the canvas edge. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. Happy New Year's to all of my subscribers, new and old, and hopefully I gain a lot more subscribers in 2020 and take you all on my fluid art journey. So I love the fluid arts right out of you, because normally I say resin, but this is not resin, this is acrylic. So smash that bell if you liked it. I mean, smash the thumbs up if you liked it. And tell me what I did right and wrong. And until next time, all I can say is bye for now.